Hi, this is Steve Sharp of the Science of Compassion Project. You ask, how is the science of compassion possible? It's because of the fundamental nature of consciousness. String theory was developed to reconcile the quantum physics of the subatomic realm with the relativistic physics of space and time. String theorists devised equations to do so, but found that they required more dimensions than the 4 of space and time. 6 more, or 7, or 22, depending upon the formulation. These dimensions need not be like space or like time. They operate at a scale of 10 to the minus 33 centimeters. That's extremely small. If an atom were the size of our solar system, one of these strings would be the size of a tree. So what if these tiny dimensions aren't like space or aren't like time, but rather relate to experience? Every event has 4 dimensions, 3 of space and 1 in time. 13th floor at the corner of Main and Maple at 2 p.m. That's a place in time. But now we know that there are 6 more dimensions at that space and time. The formulation algebraically would look like X, Y, Z, those are the space dimensions, T, that's time, and 6 more string dimensions, S sub 1, S sub 2, S sub 3, S sub 4, S sub 5, S sub 6. Looks like there's a lot more going on than just a space-time event. So let's say these dimensions are dimensions of consciousness. Once we figure it out, we'll be able to measure consciousness by determining values for these dimensions. We're nowhere near that place at the present time. It's an unimaginably complex problem. But we do know that consciousness is healed by love. And of course, these are very complex matters, these issues of memory, taste, attitude, dreams, angels and demons, paranoia and narcissism. In fact, the entire realm of our human experience on this space-time plane. It's all very real. And regardless of the place we find ourselves in this space-time continuum on this planet that we live in right now in this moment of time, we know that love will be beneficial to our consciousness. And now soon, perhaps, we'll have numbers that we can plug in to see what part consciousness plays in this continuum where we live together. And that will be the science of compassion.